In one of my videos, someone made a comment that my videos are confusing, don't have much good content, no good instruction, no real entertainment, just a waste of time to watch. Well, I decided I'm going to fix that. And the way I'm going to fix that is just turn off the comments. Now, on to my latest video. Well, I've gotten this far. I got one wheel on. What I did is I went ahead and fabricated the parts and whatever I needed. Now I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to video this one. I wanted to experiment with this one, and it's really good. It's just an old tire and wheel that was off of a utility cart my daughter had, and she just wanted me to throw it away. And I said, well, I could probably use that. So I went up to Menards and I bought this one, a new one. And it's about $16, $17 with tax or whatever. So I'm going to install that one over here. I already have it marked out where the axle goes. So now all I have to do is just drill this out and then mount it. The way I use this for going through it, so it has something to go on in case the bearings aren't hitting right. When I drill this out,
here we go. Hey, bow to the partner, corner to your circle.
so now I got that drilled out. Get this to fit in here, which it does. I need to flare one end, the end that goes into the wheel. That way, when it gets to here, it'll flare out and kind of hold that bearing in place, or the bearing is what lets the wheel go around instead of this. So I put it in this flare tool, just enough, or just put a little flare on the end. Tighten this up. This is an old flaring tool. I don't know where I got it. I think I bought it at a yard sale. Works great. Put it all back together here. This is a Fuller made in Japan. And we used to talk about stuff made in Japan being cheap. Well, that was before China. I gotta clean this out a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Now I have to cut this off. Wait a minute. Nope. Wrong. Wait a minute. That goes there. Yeah, I think that's the way it's got to be. Gotta cut this here. Hope I'm doing that right. No, that's not right. That can't be. Gotta do it right. It's never gonna be able to fix it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's it. I was cutting the wrong one. Yeah, that's better. Big washer, small washer. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't have more big washers. Okay, and I just have to tighten this up. Okay. Ah. Perfect. There's a little bit of play. Ooh, that's too tight. Something ain't right here. This one isn't so good. Take it apart here. See what I want to lose. I'll spray a little Kroil in the bearings. I double washer this one. It's going to be a pain. Okay. So now I got the wheels on it. That one goes pretty good. This is really good one. This is the new one. This is the old one. New one, old one. New one, old one. New one, old one. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. See how this works. I'm going to have to extend these out.
Here we go. Hey, bow to the partner, corner two. You circle to the left, around you do. Now circle to the left. Do an element left.
I'm going to put a couple of handles here. I have to raise these up a little bit to make it level.
Hey, bow to the partner, corner two.
Raising these up. So I have my level here. See how level the land is here. Find a place where it's level. Right there. This right here is pretty level. So if I add 2 inches down here, I should be good.
Hey, bow to the partner, corner two. You circle to the left, around you do. Now circle to the left.